Here's a risk that's easy to overlook because the tools are so convenient. What happens to the information that you put in? When you paste something into an AI tool, that information leaves your hands. Depending on the tool and its settings, it may be stored, it may be reviewed to improve the system, it may live somewhere you no longer control. So before you paste, it's worth half a second pause. Would I be comfortable if this showed up somewhere I didn't expect? For a lot of what we do, the answer is fine. A draft post, a generic question, a public document, not a problem. But for some things, they deserve more care. Customer details, anything private about a person, passwords or account numbers, confidential business information, materials someone trusted you to protect. A simple guideline. If you wouldn't post it on a bulletin board in your lobby, think twice before pasting it into a tool that you don't fully control. There are safer ways to work. Many tools have business settings that don't train on your data. You can strip out the names and specifics and just keep the part that you need help with. And when in doubt, your organization may already have rules about this worth knowing. None of these means avoid the tools. It means use them with the same care you'd use for any place your information travels. The convenience is real. Just remember that easy to paste doesn't always mean safe to paste. A moment of thought up front saves a lot of regret after.